Hi everybody, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the flash alerts on your iPhone along with your screen as well. This feature is only available in iOS 26.2. So to enable the flash alerts, hit on settings, then hit on accessibility, then under the hearing, tap on audio and visual. Scroll down, at last you will see visual flash for alerts. Tap on it, you can turn it on as a general or you can select the option of LED flash screen, or you can select both. So under that you have two options: flash while unlocked, you can also turn it on, depends on your needs, and also flash in silent mode. So these options were not available in the previous iOS. Thankfully Apple updated this feature in iOS 26.2. So that's it for today's short tutorial. See you in the next one.